blinders on, see the judgment of all wrong, and decide in the shotgun sing for the song. I tip my hat to the new constitution, take a bow for the new revolution, smile and grin at the change all round, pick up my guitar and play. Looks like yesterday, just like the knees and pray. We won't get fooled again. Myself away and my family aside. If they happen to be left alive, get the papers and smile at the sky. I know that they retire but they never lie. In the street, there's a different to me. The slogans are replaced by line, and the plotting to the left, and the nothing to the right, and the beers have all grown on the walls. I take my head, take a bow for the new revolution, smile and grin and change all around, pick up my guitar and play, just like yesterday, to get my knees and pray. We won't get fooled again. Well, hi there pluckers, Oversaw back with you again with another golden oldie from The Who called I Won't Get Fooled Again. And crazy as it seems, this is a single acoustic guitar arrangement of quite a heavy rock number, but never mind, it's fun. Okay, so hopefully there you've seen my slightly shortened version. Okay, I left out a verse, okay, not to bore you to death, okay, but everything else is in it from a single guitar arrangement point of view. Okay, so hopefully you might have enjoyed that, and join me in a couple of days for the breakdown when I've recovered. Bye for now.